This is really exciting. Our research has discovered an amazing capacity of gut bacteria to soak up PFAS, also commonly known as forever chemicals. So forever chemicals is a large group of chemicals, thousands of them, and these are man-made chemicals that contain carbon and fluorine atoms mainly. They are extremely strong. They're resistant to heat, water, oil, and grease, and that's why they have been actually used for many decades in many products, including household products like waterproof clothing, frying pans, and sometimes also food packaging material. So these forever chemicals are called forever for a reason. They last very long in our environments, and they are not easy to degrade. Unfortunately, that also means that these chemicals have made their way into our body through our food and water systems. These molecules tend to bioaccumulate inside our bodies and increase the risk of certain diseases like cancer and cardiovascular diseases. They also cause decreased fertility and decreased immunity. We have the first evidence that our gut microbes might be helping us to shield from forever chemicals. They are potentially absorbing these chemicals inside the bacterial cells and helping us to excrete this at a faster rate through our feces. What this also means is that if we can increase the number of these bacteria in our GI tract, that we can also accelerate getting rid of these chemicals from our bodies. We also tested these bacteria in mouse models, what I call the humanized mouse models, in the sense that they are mice, but their gut bacteria are from the humans. And we have seen that having these PFAS bioaccumulating bacteria in their gastrointestinal tract, we can increase the rate of excretion by 2 to 3-fold. No one has seen PFAS inside bacterial cells before. So we used state-of-the-art electron microscopy and mass spectrometry together to visualize these molecules inside the bacterial cells. Once we knew that they are inside the cells, we further used genetics and proteomics to understand what PFAS molecules are interacting with within the bacterial cells. So indeed, the next step would be to test this in humans. So to help in that process, I have co-founded a startup company called Cambiotics, and the goal of that company is to develop probiotic supplements that can accelerate the natural process of PFAS removal. And we hope that we can conduct a clinical trial with probiotic supplements next year in 2026. So we are very curious to understand whether gut microbes could also protect us from other harmful chemicals like pesticides that make into our food, unfortunately. We also want to understand at molecular levels how bacteria do that, what kind of molecular machinery are involved, and can we actually increase the capacity of these microbes to protect us. Our microbiome holds a lot of potential, and we hardly understand even half of it. Our microbiome is mostly dark matter, meaning that we know the function of less than half of those genes. So that means that there's a lot to discover there.